Here's a great example of a question that I guarantee a lot of math teachers are going to try to explain using algebra because that's just how they think about the world. But most of us don't, right? If we had this situation, if a friend was telling a story, we wouldn't ask for an equation. We would just kind of think it through. So do the same thing here. No equation necessary. Just like take it piece by piece. What are they giving us? It's 9 bins. Okay, there's $63 off the purchase price. The cost after the coupon was $27, and they want to know what was the cost of one bin. So, okay, well, if it was $27 after the coupon, and the coupon was for $63 off, well, we can add those two things together. And so 7 and 3 is 0, and 2 and 6 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so that's $90. Okay, so that's $90 total, and then there's 9 storage bins. So if we divide by the 9, we get that each storage bin is $10. That's it. That's the answer. Notice there's no X, there's no Y. We could do it. It's not that bad, but like, why? Why take the risk of accidentally like putting a plus when you meant a minus or something like that? Like, there's no reason. Just think about it intuitively like you would if you were actually in the store trying to buy these bins. The other thing too to note is that even if we had answer choices, I don't know that I would have done this any differently. Some of you, when you have an answer choice and you kind of make an equation and that answer choice is there, you're like, oh, like I solved for X and I got X is this and that's an answer choice, so I must be right. But remember, the wrong answers are going to reflect the most common mistakes that you would make. So if you made one of those common mistakes, you wouldn't know it. And so it doesn't really matter to me whether it's a multiple choice question or one like this, a student-produced response. Either way, I'm avoiding algebra and trying to just think about it with numbers and common sense. So try to steer yourself toward that direction no matter the question, no matter where you are on the SAT. You really want to avoid algebra if possible.